Cybersecurity Plan 1. A cybersecurity plan is a comprehensive strategy that outlines the measures and actions an organization will take to protect its digital assets, information systems, and data from cyber threats. Here are some key elements to consider when developing a cybersecurity plan. 1. Risk assessment. Conduct a thorough assessment of your organization's cybersecurity risks. Identify potential threats, vulnerabilities, and potential impacts to determine the areas that require the most attention and protection. 2. Security policies and procedures. Develop and document cybersecurity policies and procedures that outline the rules, guidelines, and best practices for securing information systems and data. These policies should cover areas such as password management, access controls, incident response, data classification, and employee awareness and training. 3. Network and system security. Implement security measures to protect your network and systems. This may include deploying firewalls, intrusion detection/prevention systems, antivirus/anti-malware solutions, secure configuration settings, and regular patch management. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process, and your plan should be regularly reviewed, updated, and tested to ensure its effectiveness in mitigating risks and protecting your organization's digital assets. It is also advisable to seek guidance from cybersecurity professionals or consultants to ensure the robustness of your cybersecurity plan. 1. Structure of a cybersecurity plan. The structure of a cybersecurity plan may vary depending on the specific needs and requirements of an organization. However, here is a general outline that can be used as a starting point for structuring a cybersecurity plan. 1. Executive summary. Provide an overview of the cybersecurity plan, its purpose, and the importance of cybersecurity for the organization. Summarize the key objectives and goals of the plan. 2. Introduction. Provide background information about the organization, its industry, and the current cybersecurity landscape. Explain the need for a cybersecurity plan and its alignment with the organization's. 3. Scope and objectives. Clearly define the scope of the cybersecurity plan, including the systems, assets, and data it covers. Outline the objectives of the plan, such as protecting sensitive data, ensuring availability of critical systems. Remember to tailor the structure and content of the cybersecurity plan to the specific requirements and characteristics of your organization. Engage relevant stakeholders throughout the process to ensure buy-in and effective implementation of the plan. 2. Cybersecurity protection measures. Cybersecurity protection measures are essential for safeguarding an organization's systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. Here are some key measures that organizations can implement. 1. Network security. Firewalls. Deploy firewalls to control and monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic, blocking unauthorized access and potential threats. Virtual private network. VPN. Implement VPN technology to secure remote connections and encrypt data transmission over public networks. 2. Endpoint security. Antivirus/anti-malware software. Install and regularly update antivirus and anti-malware solutions on all endpoints to detect and remove malicious software. Host-based firewalls. Enable host-based firewalls on endpoints to provide an additional layer of protection and control inbound and outbound network traffic. Implementing these cybersecurity protection measures can help organizations mitigate risks, enhance their security posture, and protect against a wide range of cyber threats. It's important to regularly assess and update these measures to adapt to evolving threats and ensure ongoing protection.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.